What's going on, my peeps? Your boy Versatile is back again with another video. I wanted to show you guys something that we bought over the weekend, and she did the unboxing. You'll see it if you guys do want to see her do the unboxing and put it together. It's on our couples channel. I'll put the link in the description below. But I wasn't here to actually do the unboxing, so she helped me out with it. So appreciate. Shout out to my wife Candace / Shug. Thank you. So, what did she unbox? Well, before I tell you, make sure you ignite that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. And hit that notification bell so you get notified when your boy's back in the building. So, without further ado, let's get back into this video. And we got a keyboard. Yes. You guys want to see it? Let me tell you why we got it first. The reason why we got it was because she used to play piano, years ago, on and off. She took classes for it, and she hadn't done it in a while. She really liked playing piano, and so we went and found a nice, well-priced keyboard that we could purchase and bring home. And it helps also for her, and in general for a lot of people, relieve stress. You know, music is a very good way to distract the mind, kill stress, and bring some positivity. So for her, it was perfect. It was a perfect opportunity for her to get that. You know, she was diagnosed with Crohn's disease a few months ago. So, battling with that, acclimating herself to her, new diet and different ways of eating and whatnot. A lot of that can cause physical stress and mental stress. So one way that we was able to help with that is get a piano. So I'm about to show you guys this piano, digital keyboard, and it is the Williams Rhapsody 2 digital keyboard. Now, you guys see that? Now I'm gonna give you guys a close up here in a second. All right, here we go. So this is the keyboard that she set up by herself. I don't think it was that hard. I believe she just had to put the legs on it. You guys see that right there. It's an unconventional unconventional, semi-review of the piano. It looks real nice. It's the reason why we bought it, because it looks nice. It's got the two pedals down there. And then it's got different function, of course. I believe she bought that book. But yeah, so this book allows her to, of course, learn how to play the piano, notes and all that, and simple songs before she graduates into playing some, heavier things, Alicia Keys style, John Legend style. But that's the instruction manual right there and whatnot. And as you see, it says the Rhapsody 2 digital piano from Williams. Got that warranty. And she did this by herself. So, I'm proud. And she's going to be hooking up a lot more stuff around here. You know what I'm saying? So, as we see, oh, Lord have mercy, guys. I'm sorry about that. So, what makes this piano easy? Oh, my goodness. Give me a second, guys. What makes this piano special is that all the functions of it is pretty easy to know or to use and is accessible. And as you see right here and you see over here, those are the speakers. Now, what makes that even better is if you're playing without a set of headphones, you have directional sound coming right at you, as opposed to like a Yamaha piano where the sound is more up here in, little divots that kind of fire upwards. And so it does kind of change the perception of the sound just a little bit. And those pedals down there are, basically note holders. Now, I played like a teeny bit of piano back in my young elementary days. I never even got to that point, but she wants to get to that point and kind of understands how to use them. So that's why we also spent this kind of money for this keyboard. And if I can find a link for the piano, I'll probably put it in the description box as well. This screen tells you what kind of piano you're playing. So if it's grand piano, the bright piano, the electric piano, the organs, the strings or the synth, then nylon guitar, vibes, electric bass, acoustic bass. You can change the vibration. I don't know what split means. The type of sound that gets. You can change the effects of the sound. Oh, that's dope. And reverb. See, a lot of this I don't know, because of course I'm not like heavy into the piano game. Over here it looks like you can change the different octaves of the sound. And transpose the sound, or I guess alter the sound to make it literally like sound different. and then you got metronome. So you got this power button, the volume, and this gets loud now. But the difference between this one and the Yamaha that we saw, oh, sorry for the, y'all see our dirty clothes over there. Sorry, this is our studio. And then if somebody would like to sit in that chair right there, she's probably gonna get a little bit mad just because it's a little messy, but ain't no big deal. The difference between the Yamaha and this is that the Yamaha, of course, the sounded a little softer, and the quality wasn't as great as this Williams one. So even though the price was exactly the same, the only difference was this one didn't come with a bench, which is why she's using a chair that looks just like that one, as opposed to spending like 80 bucks on a bench. This didn't make no sense. And so that's why we were like, well, if we're gonna pay that kind of money, we're gonna pay for the quality of the piano. And so with this keyboard here, which looks like super legit, you got the little red accents in there. Yes, sorry, I had to make that sound. It really brings that dark, and that dark wood is amazing on it. So it really makes you feel good to be playing on a piano that you also want and you didn't settle for. And so for her, last night, right after she was put it together, I got home, she was playing the piano. And as you guys see, the adapter for iPhones, but you need an adapter, I guess, nonetheless, in order to plug a headphone jack into it. And so as you see, her headphones are right there. You connect underneath here, but you need to buy an adapter, which we had to buy from the store as well. So this is the piano. It's a real nice piano. I might even jump back on it. You know, I was able to get my Yankee Doodle down. So let's see if I can get that. I'm gonna hit that. Okay, you guys ready? All right. All right. Ooh. All right. I need you guys to try to listen close. As long as my doggone. Come on. All right, here we go. Oh, where'd it sound? Oh. Yeah, so this is the adapter right here. So I had to take that out real quick. Ooh, shoot. All right, let's tone that down. All right. Y'all ready? No! Y'all heard I had one note off in there. No! Guys, I was right there. All right. Let's go! Stark is in the building! So that was me getting my Yankee Doodle on with one hand. Since we have a keyboard, I might try to jump like on it. Back in my day, you know, and in my elementary days, I was forced to play the piano. And I did not despise it. I did like it. But I really wanted to get on the drums. And of course, parents don't like drums in the house. So that didn't work out in my favor. So I played the piano for 2 quick seconds. The reason why I actually had to give it up was because my mom or my parents or whoever could not afford the classes. So that's actually why I had to stop playing the piano. I played the trombone in the 4th grade. I think 3rd or 4th grade. Played the trombone, sponsored through the class. And I played trombone for, about 6 months to a year. I don't even think it was that long. It's probably like a couple months. But I got good with that trombone. The one thing I hate about that trombone is the little saliva catcher. Ugh. Yikes! No, thank you. No, thank you. So yes, guys, this was the official overview, I guess you could call it, of the Williams Rhapsody 2 digital piano. If anybody's interested in pianos, I guess, or looking for one, or would like to at least look at it and check out the additional features or some of those things that I showed, such as the the transpose and octave settings, the metronome setting, the reverb and chorus and mono effects and split and whatnot. You know, if you can find that, go ahead, check it out. And I should have the links in the description. But I did want to kind of just show you guys another a piece of tech that we bought recently that will be used, because we did not just spend this kind of money on no piano for it to collect dust. Okay? Okay, man? So, your boy Versatile signing out. And until the next video, wait for it. Why did I mess with that note though?